Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear fellows, watch this video till the end. If anyone says this dua, nothing will harm him. He will not suffer from sudden afflictions. Narrator Uthman ibn Uthman said, I heard Uthman ibn Affan say, I heard the Messenger of Allah say, if anyone says 3 times in evening, he will not suffer sudden afflictions till the morning. And if anyone says this in the morning, he will not suffer sudden affliction till the evening. Affan was afflicted by some paralysis, and when a man who heard the tradition began to look at him, he said to him, why are you looking at me? I swear by Allah, I did not tell a lie about Uthman, nor did Uthman tell a lie about the Prophet. But that day, when I was afflicted by it, I became angry and forgot to say dua. And that powerful dua is Bismillah الذي لا يضر مع اسمه شيء في الأرض ولا في السماء وهو السميع العليم. In the name of Allah, when whose name is mentioned, nothing on earth or in heaven can cause harm, and He is the hearer, the knower. अल्लाह के नाम के साथ, जिसके नाम के साथ जमीन और आसमान में कोई चीज़ नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाती, और वही सुनने वाला और जानने वाला है. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.